See how long it takes for me to get to Tooting. Look at this. Inside out, inside out. Oh. Nice.
Hammer or a fork. Shit, there's plenty more to snort. For sure. Shit, all my shit that I bought a court, yeah. Cops pulled me over in my imported Porsche. 100K, I said you 40 short. For a sport. Written all over it like a war report. Yo, I pistol whip them or extort. Oh, bitches, you can't afford to court, I'm clout chasing. Read it. There you go. Go on. Hello. Sorry mate, I haven't got anything for you. Yeah.
Just stumbled. Yo, man looks crazy. Yo, not used to seeing me looking like this. Helmet, everything. I'm listening to my rap music right now, so West Side Gun. This is Tooting Park. Ain't been here before. It looks quite nice. They've got tennis courts for the kids. They got a park. They got a duck park. Got a lot of cycling area. A lot of barbecue area. Looks like a pretty good park for potential for the summer to set up shop with the family. We might have to have a family day out here. What do we think? Anyway, look. Gonna set back off on my ride in a minute, guys. Yeah. And get back. What percentage I'm on? 37%. So, yeah. Alright. One finds that cat, holler this number.
Yeah, boys. Petty as fuck. Pretty and a petty as fuck. Pretty and a petty as fuck. Like you. Like those. Check. Right. Big shorty. Big shorty. Lando. Hold up. Shut up. Yo, hang around a lot of retards. Hang around a lot of retards.
Okay.